to get your message in front of someone and make your websites more custom, every aspect, the outside and also the inside. And it's insanely easy to do something like this. Now, I'm doing this one with Elementor, but you can do it with Beaver Builder, you can do it with Divi, and I'm going to show you how, some of the tools for that. I'm not going to show you how to do with all those, but I'll show you some of the tools for that. However, this is a great opportunity to upsell, to have information about support, contact information back to you. You can put a welcome video in here. There's a variety of cool things you can do. And also, the elements I would suggest using in a dashboard widget like this would be to make good use of accordions and tabs and things like that, so you can fit more information in a tiny space. So let's look at the tools to be able to accomplish this for each of the different platforms. So for Elementor, there's a free plugin called Granular Controls for Elementor, and I'm going to show you how to use this in this video. If you're using Beaver Builder, there's Dashboard Welcome to Beaver Builder, and you can see from the image here, you're essentially able to do the same exact thing. Now, if you're a Divi user, there is a plugin for Divi elements called Divi Dashboard Welcome and Divi Live. I've never used that. So let's go ahead and log into the back end of this dashboard. This is my dashboard. So just go to Plugins, Add New. If you're an Elementor user, it installed Granular Controls for Elementor. Matter of fact, I made a video about this last week. Some of the cool things that it does have a lot of features to it. And once you've installed and activated this plugin, there is a new settings option underneath Elementor right here that says Granular Controls. Now this plugin does quite a few things that are really nice for Elementor users. As a matter of fact, someone left a comment on my blog days ago saying how much he did not like Elementor because if you use the Elementor accordion module, the first accordion is open. So anyways, right here's an option to have it closed. So this is a plugin that fixes a lot of these little things that people might not like about Elementor. Just the little things though. Overall, Elementor is fantastic. So here's the accordions closed option. Here's just to simply remove the Elementor dashboard widget if that's something that you wanted. Then we have some other editor options. So these are options when you're in the Elementor editor, adding parallax and different things like that, but also adding the exit button. But what we're going to be looking at is the advanced settings right here. And so essentially, there's this option right here that says Welcome Panel. By default, it's set to no. And when it's set to no, it's just going to be your standard back-end dashboard. And this is what it would look like. It might look a little different in yours, depending on how yours is set up. But if you set this to yes, then you have an option to choose one of your save sections or save pages in the Elementor library. So you see I created one called WP Admin Dashboard. So if I go to my templates, you can see here it is, WP Admin Dashboard. I can click on that and jump into Elementor. You can see it is the same exact thing. So I can go ahead quite, or it's just not gonna look quite right or quite professional to how I would personally like it. So we can just go ahead and clear that, click on update, and you're gonna agree when I do a refresh that it just looks better. So it's just working along with it.